Hi guys, this is the massive watermelon from Spain. So let's enjoy this watermelon because it's very hot. So how I cut my watermelon is like this. Oh, look at that. Smells like a watermelon. Oh, see? That's it. And then another one. Just poke it in the middle. And be careful guys because it's really sharp. Oh, I cut it like this. Listen. Oops. And then it's easy to pick up. Sweet. Yum yum. Guys, for extra yummy, I will put condensed milk.